How to check balance on EBT card. The easiest way to check your balance is by looking at the receipt from your most recent transaction. Your remaining balance is usually printed at the bottom. Look on the back of your EBT card for the customer service phone number. Call the number and follow the prompts to check your balance. You'll typically need to enter your card number. Many states have a dedicated EBT website where you can log in to check your balance and view recent transactions. You'll need to create an account if you haven't done so already. Visit the website listed on the back of your card or search for your state's EBT portal. You can also check your balance at an ATM, but you may be charged a fee for this service. Some states provide a mobile app for EBT cardholders. Search for the app in your smartphone's app store. After downloading, log in to view your balance and transaction history. Thanks for watching.